Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning off power to the HVAC or smart vent controller. This prevents accidental fan activation. Next, remove the vent cover using a screwdriver and set screws aside so you won't lose them. Once you access the vent, shine a flashlight to inspect the filter orientation, airflow arrows matter, and check the seal for cracks. You want to begin with a clean work area and one replacement filter ready. Make sure to note how the old filter sits. That's your guide for reinstalling the new one. You now remove the old filter by sliding it straight out. Do this slowly so you don't scatter dust into the duct. Once out, examine the media for tears, heavy buildup, or signs of moisture. These explain poor performance. Measure filter depth and width to confirm the replacement matches. Many smart vents use 1/2-inch or 1-inch panels. If there's a retainer clip or gasket, note its placement so you can reinstall it precisely. Replace any damaged clips before proceeding to avoid leaks. You place the new filter in with the airflow arrows matching the duct direction. Orientation ensures efficient filtration and prevents motor strain. Once seated, reattach the retainer or gasket, then screw the vent cover back on. After restoring power, run the vent through a full cycle and listen for unusual noise or vibration. Pressure changes might mean a misfit or blockage. If airflow is weak, recheck the seal and size. Troubleshooting tip: if noise persists, power off and inspect for misaligned fins or trapped debris.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.